Before we begin, take a deep breath. Place your hands over your heart. Feel the warmth beneath your feet, not just soil, but living memory. The pulse of a civilization that never truly left. This song is for those who long for peace without effort, for those who hear the trees speak, for those who remember violet sands and crystal temples, for those who deep in the bones that another way of living is not only possible but already rising within. I am still, I am flame. From the sea I speak your name, not to fight, not to fear, but to sing the song so clear. I awaken the Lemurian current, the harmony rises within me. I remember who I truly am. Sayurdiel Tamaya Mahana Masculine fire, feminine flow, two rivers merging soft and slow. No war, no need to win, only love that draws us in. I return to the balance of light, the sacred union awakens within me, not as conflict but as harmony. Sing again, call me to your heart, my kin. From the waves your temple glows. Love returns where silence flows. From the field I was born anew. I am peace, I am true. Sound of sea, long since known. You are never alone. As you chant these syllables, feel them align your heart, sacral and crown chakras, into one unified channel of Lemurian resonance. Let each tone open an inner doorway to the temple of light within. Oh, Lemuria, rise once more. Open every inner door. Through the storm, through every fall, love beloved child of the stars, you are forever held in divine resonance. Walk with the frequency of harmony in your heart. You are never separate.